Hi everyone, welcome to Fashion for 50s, where I help 50 plus women regain their sense of style. So today we're going to do part 2 of how to build a capsule wardrobe, and I'm going to show you a few different outfit combinations just based on the clothing that I showed you in part 1. Now, it's actually amazing how many different combinations of outfits you can get from a small amount of clothing. I think I counted, I've got 22 items, including shoes and bags, in this basic capsule wardrobe. And I can create so many different combinations of outfits with this. Now, there is also a really good styling app that I use called Cladwell. And I find it's really useful for helping me to create outfits. So what you can do with it is you can key in all the items for your capsule wardrobe that you like and you want to use, and then it will come up with different combinations of that particular item. So say you want to know the different combinations you can wear with this according to all the other clothing you've got there. It will come up with, I don't know, sometimes it comes up with like 30 different combinations. And it will also do it according to the weather, like the temperature for that day. So it will, if it's a sunny day, it's going to show you that you can wear your basic cami. It's a really, really helpful tool to use. Every woman should have a beige jumper in their wardrobe, definitely a striped t-shirt and an A-line skirt. It's a very classic look, and pair it with a classic looking bag and some court shoes and you're good to go. All the items you see here are really good staples to have in your wardrobe too. The black camisole, the black jacket, black boots and a good pair of jeans. In terms of dresses, it's good just to go with a very basic style. I've picked a wrap dress here because most women and their body shapes can wear a wrap dress. So it's a very versatile piece to have in your wardrobe. You can dress it up to make it more corporate look, or you could dress it down with a denim jacket and some trainers for a more casual look. 3 other items to have in your wardrobe which are really useful are a good denim jacket, a lovely white shirt and a good pair of black trousers. They just go with everything. I've also included in this basic capsule wardrobe a good pair of white denim jeans, either 3/4 or full length, and a lovely chambray shirt. Now we can't forget a basic white tee, and here I've paired it with a long line cardigan, which you can have in different colours, but for this wardrobe, which I'm keeping in neutral colours, I've chosen grey. A beige coat is a key essential item in your wardrobe. They always look really stylish and put together, and they just never go out of style. So whether you get a warm one for winter or a cool one for summer, they're always great to have. The final item to have in your capsule wardrobe is a good leather or pleather biker's jacket. They're classic and they go with everything. Thanks for being here today. I really hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, Fashion for 50s, and I'm also over on Instagram at Fashion for 50s. So thank you very much for being here. I appreciate that you've taken the time to watch my video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.